on Scramble 1, we have a yellow bar here, and a wide U2 will pair up the second yellow bar. So I can go straight into making that bar and orienting it, and then with this white center, I can cancel into making a white bar on the top by doing R2, U, R prime. And then I know my last two pieces will be here from tracing them, so I can rotate right, and then do R2, U, insert the bar. And then from here, I see white orange, which I can do with FR, and then I'll insert into the bottoms to give me view over the rest of the cube. And now I see white green, and then I can insert that into the front while tracing white red right here. And then I can insert that with U, R, U prime. I see the three orange centers here, so I rotated up and found the last piece. So I can insert it like that. And next is green. And I can make that bar and then scan up here. And I can solve this with R, U prime, R prime. Then insert this, and then I'll go straight into this bar after, like so. And then insert this at the end. And I saw that I was going to break up this edge, so I can put it back together and insert. Here I can slice with a U prime, and I can just flip for my first edge. And then my next edge is green orange, and then that goes to yellow green and yellow orange, and yellow orange is here. So I can insert that and then go straight into that to finish off, and then U to slice back. Here I can do an R prime. Well, I see I have a 3 cycle on the, which involves these 3 pieces, and then just a 2 cycle. So I could actually just do the 3 cycle in the top by doing an R prime to pair these, and then this yellow green needs to pair with this, so I can move that to, so when I slice back, it pairs. And then I can do UR to fix the cross, and then this last 2 edge alg. Then it's 3x3 stage. Then PLL, parity alg. Next, this scramble is pretty simple. So obviously we'd go for yellow first, and then pair up this bar and insert it. So make the yellow center, R2, U2, insert the bar, and start cross edges. Here it looks like you should go for red, but if you do a U2 and go for orange first, then that'll also pair up red, and you can just insert them both at the same time, then rotate up. And then blue, I can do R prime U to put them in opposite slices, and then insert them here. And then I see this orange bar, and I scan, and I see this one here. And I also know that this blue bar is here. So I can put the orange in, and then put the blue in right after. But before I do that, I see this over here, and I can go straight into making the green bar by doing R2, U2, RUR, orient the bar and go up. And then now I just do RU2, R prime for the last 2 centers. And here, it's pretty similar to last time. Make the edge, insert it, and here I think U would be best, because I see this yellow-red piece back here. So I can do a U, and then do this alg to flip the edge in the back right. And, well, that's actually pretty bad, but I can just do the special case, because this green is stuck here. So slice back, take it out, slice back, insert, and then flip this edge, then slice back. Here, I know that this 3 cycle can be solved with an A perm, because these 2 match these, and then you have this L shape and this other big L shape. So you do the A perm that starts with R prime, U, R prime, like this. and then 3x3 stage. This scramble doesn't look the greatest, but there is a nice 3-move white center that you can solve like that just by pairing this bar and then making this bar. But if you do, before just doing this, you can do an U move, and that makes this other bar. Insert, and then R2U, insert this bar, and you can see these two blue whites. So when I rotate, I can go straight into solving that. And insert into the bottom to give myself more vision. And then I already saw this green piece here, so I can do D, U prime, and then pair it, insert up. And this is a pretty bad case, but it's the only thing I see, so I have to go for it. So I can just solve it like that and insert it in. Here I see this orange bar and this orange piece, and I can scan down here and see the last orange piece, so I can just solve the orange center. And that also solves the green bar. And there's also the green piece that would be here, so I look up to see it, and then I can make this bar, and then solve the green and orange centers simultaneously. And then now it's just the last two centers, so I pair up the bar, insert it. Here I can just do slice, insert, slice, and then put this in. And here I can do a U prime slice because I see this blue-red back here and this blue-red back here. So I can just do the same thing where I slice and then flip the back edge, and now everything else is in the front. So I can hedge this in, and I know next is going to be blue-orange, and I see blue-orange back here. So I can rotate and put that in. And here I can just cycle, so insert, slice, insert, slice back. And then here, same thing, so insert that, slice back. Now 3x3 stage. And for this OLL parity, I know if I do Drew parity, that'll create this block. So that's this parity alg. And then it'll give me like this good P case. So I can solve that like that. And then this PLL alg. Yeah, thanks for watching.